Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 41 and the final edition of the 2019-2020 Cougar Connection. This week we have a little bit different Cougar Connection. We do want to take a moment and just spotlight all of our 8th grade students for this year. We know that this is a special group of kids that's going to be moving on to FCHS, and our time together, unfortunately, as a school was cut short. But we do want to thank you guys for everything that you have demonstrated at Simons Middle School in your short career. We are so proud of all of your accomplishments and for giving it your all every single day and demonstrating the can will must attitude. And as we always say, students, don't forget to learn daily, laugh often, lead respectfully, live responsibly. And we expect for each of you to keep the Cougar promise as you move forward into high school next year. We wish you guys the best the next 4 years, and we want to challenge you to be your absolute best. And I know as many of you know about me, I'm all about building the house that built me. And I challenge all of you to come back to our community and make it a better place for you and for your families as well. So congratulations, 8th graders. And I do have a bit of a video send off after we jump off today. So I'm going to post that up with this video, and I will also post it on Facebook. I do want to take a moment and recognize two folks for our staff spotlight for this week. I do want to take a minute and thank you and shout out to Miss Brandy Cooper. Miss Cooper provided an excellent video last week for all of our 8th grade students who are completing their BPI components. And it was really informative, and it was just a great video. So thank you, Miss Cooper, for your hard work on that, and kind of for being the school mom. Miss Cooper takes care of us all. She's an amazing cook, and she's just an amazing person. So thank you, Miss Cooper, for everything that you do for us. And last but certainly not least, I want to take a moment and thank Mr. Fritz. Mr. Fritz is the assistant principal at Simons Middle School, and I know that all of you know him. And even more importantly than thanking Mr. Fritz for everything that he does for Simons Middle School, I want to take a moment and thank Miss Ashley Fritz, his wife, and his family, because being an administrator is a huge sacrifice, and he meets the challenges head on. And you can't do that without a supportive family. So thank you, Ashley, Hudson, Max, and the entire Fritz family for all your sacrifices throughout the course of this school year, too. All right, just a few announcements for the very last week of school. On Tuesday, we are going to have a 7th grade PLC, an 8th grade PLC, and an admin team meeting. And, of course, Friday is going to be the last Can Will Must t-shirt day of the year. We're also going to have a whole staff meeting at 2 o'clock. Students, we will have drop-off available for packets on Monday, or on Friday rather, and that's going to be in front of the school. We'll have Mr. Tackett and Mr. James out there, probably along with a few of your teachers helping collect packets for drop-off. Please make sure that you get all of your work turned in by Friday, as Friday is going to be the last day that we will accept any work for the 2019-20 school year. And also, parents, if you can't make it on Friday, that's not a problem. Just make sure that you drop packets off at Simons Middle School. There are some totes out back by our gym, so please make sure you drop packets off down there. All right, 8th graders, I'm going to wish you luck one more time. And 7th graders, we will see you guys back here next year, hopefully in the fall. We will get started business as usual. So enjoy your summer break, Cougars.